Alright, it's day 3 of Taiwan Quarantine. Last night, around 9 o'clock, we got moved to another room because our plumbing was not working. And so we got moved 3 floors down to room 1218. This room is a little bit nicer, and it's been remodeled, and it has a bidet, which is pretty interesting. I didn't think I was a bidet type of guy, but I definitely am. It has a heated seat on it that is just so comfortable. You get up in the morning and man, I could sit on that thing for a while. We are up, we are rested, we are caffeinated and ready to seize the day in quarantine. Breakfast is here. First bubble tea.
Wow.
You like it?
It's different. Did you just toot?
Oh yeah, loud.
Ew.
Oh.
You guys are silly.
It's 9 p.m. On day 3. Today has been just a big veg day. Watched a lot of TV and a lot of movies. Watched Independence Day, The Office Christmas Party, some other movie, I forgot. Anyway, just been a veg day, and food is tough. Dinner tonight was just okay. It was pasta with some kind of weird soup that we didn't eat. I ate most of the pasta. Jordan ate some of it. But food is tough. We did Uber Eats last night and got Hooters. Just wanted some wings. And Asian Hooters is different than American Hooters. It's not the same. The chicken's weird, and the fries were terrible. So probably won't do that again, but I don't know. Try to find something else maybe tomorrow. But this jet lag sleep schedule is really messing me up. So anyway, I'm gonna try to call it a night and try to go force myself to get some sleep. So see you guys tomorrow.